Students, this is your chapter 1 of VMAT, that is patterns. So, in the patterns, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn series. So, coming to the definition of series, in series, that is of numbers, letters, combination of numbers and letters and figures. In series completion, student student is required to study the given series, identify the pattern followed by the terms of the series, either to find missing terms or to identify the wrong terms. This we have to do. Two things, main things. First, what? Either we have to find the missing term or identify the wrong term. So in this way, there are some definition of completion of figure series, inserting the missing number. Okay, you will get in the PDF of this chapter. So read it. Now coming to the question, let us take the first question, this example 3. So can you able to see that these dolls are joined? Okay, these are making a series, and as you can see here, this first doll is having 100 as the number, second is having 81, then 64, then 49, and similarly like this we have a series, some series kind of. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to find the pattern which this series is following. So here you can, as you can see, that if we will multiply 10, we will get our first number, that is 100. Again we will multiply 9 and 9, we will again get our second number, that is 81. So the pattern is we are multiplying the two same numbers and getting our answer. So here if we will move to the series, here 7 multiply 7, 6, 5, then 4, then 3 multiply 3, then what we will get, 2 multiply 2, and our answer will be 4. So the correct answer will be 4 here. Okay, so now coming to the same some kind of second example, that is of 2, 6, 8, 12, 17. Okay, so we have a different circles. We have 5 circles. There are 2 parts of each circle. Here you can see that in the top of the circle we have 2, and at the bottom we have 5. So how we will get our pattern? See here, as you can see, this, if I will multiply 2 plus 1, I will get 5. Okay, similarly, as you can see here, 6 multiply 2 will be 12, plus 1 will be 13. Okay, now coming to the answer of this question, as we can see that this 8 multiply 2 will be 16, plus 1, 8 multiply 2 will be 16, plus 1 will be 17. So the 17 will be our correct answer of this question. So in this way we can solve different kind of question. Okay, now coming to the next type of question, moving further. So see question number 6. What is the question? Example number 6 is, which is the missing figure in the figure matrix given below? As you can see here, we have 6 boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes here, and in the first row you can see one arrow is toward downward, and one arrow is showing towards up, and one is showing towards left. Similarly, in the last row, again what is going on? One arrow is toward up, one is toward left, and one is toward down. So here in the middle row we have leftward, we have upward. So the answer in the question figure will be the arrow towards the downwards. Okay, so in this question our correct answer will be option number B. Okay,